Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview 12-foot by 30-inch swimming pool with filter pump and 2 PCS pool debris cover. Beat the heat and make a splash in this Intex 12-foot by 30-inch metal frame swimming pool and filter and pool debris cover. This metal frame pool is great for having friends and family over to cool off. It's easy to assemble and maintain and fits perfectly on a flat surface in your backyard. It's made of strong and durable material, Intex's high molecular Super-Tough PVC. Your backyard will be the hotspot on the block with this Intex 12-foot by 30-inch foot pool summer after summer. Product benefits: easy to assemble, ready for water 30 minutes. Features dual suction outlet fittings, safety shutoff, and drain plug accepts a garden hose to conveniently drain water away. The pool set includes an Intex 530-gallon-per-hour filter pump, one Type A filter cartridge, and a helpful instructional DVD. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.